Hi, good morning, friends. I'm back with my new video on advanced ruling. This is my second video, and I'll be sharing two advanced rulings today. So, both are based on the registration under GST. So, first is Karnataka ruling, which was given on 31st March 2020, and the applicant name is T&D Electricals. So these are works contractor. They are registered in Rajasthan. In case you have any doubt, you can put that in the comments box. I will try to reply that. Okay. Uh, in, um, because this is not live session, so and I will give you my mail ID. You can put questions in case of any issue. So I was T&D Electricals are the applicant. So they sought ruling for what? Whether they have got a contract in Karnataka by a Rajasthan taxpayer only. So the contractor is registered in Rajasthan. Contractor is registered in Rajasthan, but the immovable property on which work has to be done is situated in Karnataka. So the applicant has sought ruling for whether he is required to obtain registration in Karnataka as well, though he is registered in Rajasthan. So as per section 22, every supplier has to take registration from where he supplies good or services or both. But the authority has held that when taxpayer is registered in Rajasthan, he doesn't need to obtain another registration in Karnataka, provided he does not have any fixed establishment in Karnataka. As per the instant case, as applicant has admitted, there is no other place than principal place of business in Rajasthan. So the crux of the ruling is that they are not required to obtain registration separately in Karnataka. Secondly, what applicant has asked, if what will be their invoicing model and what they are going to charge, whether CGST, SGST for the goods which dealer would supply to contractor for undertaking the works. Okay, so if a dealer is in Rajasthan, what would be the nature of tax? Like it would be CGST, SGST or IGST. And if dealer is in Karnataka, what would be the nature of tax? So what authority has said, if dealer is in Rajasthan and he supplies goods to Karnataka, so that would be covered under bill to ship to model, and it becomes intrastate since supplier and recipient both are registered in Rajasthan. So dealer would charge CGST, SGST. If now take the reverse case, if dealer is registered in Karnataka, he supplies goods again under bill to ship to model, but in this case it becomes interstate supply, and IGST would be charged by the dealer. So this was the ruling what was given by Karnataka in the case of T&D Electrical, that they are not required to obtain separate registration in case of works contract and the nature of taxes which are to be charged by them. Now second ruling is, it is again for registration, but it is under IBC, latest rules IBC has introduced in coordination with GST. So in the case of Mansi Oils and Grains Private Limited, this is the latest ruling by West Bengal. It has been given on 29th June 2020. So applicant is in the applicant business has been closed for 10 years, and they have neither filled form REG 26, which was for migration, and they have not migrated to GST. So they are basically unregistered at the current time. Under IBC, a liquidator has been appointed for the applicant. Now whether they have sought ruling for whether liquidator is required to obtain registration. As per the latest notification, which is notification number 11/2020, it is required liquidator insolvency professional is required to obtain a separate registration under GST for So, though the ruling said that liquidator is required to obtain separate registration. Further, what authority has said that if it is already registered for the if it is already registered, liquidator is already registered under GST, they are not required to take separate registration. They can make amendments in the registration certificate referring to the circular number 138 138/08/2020, which is dated 6th May 2020. So uh, I hope I have made myself clear, and there is no doubt on registration. If any doubt is there in your mind regarding registration, you can mail me your doubts, or in comment box. You can mail me at mehak goel91@gmail.com. And if guys, if you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have an amazing day.